Armas, Band Leader, Vince Francis Estadilla, Company Commander, Mark Lorzano, Company XO, Ray Mark Pasagre, First Platoon Leader, Boys, Ralph Lawrence Bermido, Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Elhaiza de la Cruz, CAT Facilitator Commandant, Rodel D. Velasco, Joan Rose R. Reyes, CAT, CTV Coordinator, Red Isarza, Monica Barayoga, Major X Coordinator, Arlene B. Pega, Dan Edward Oxano, DBC, DLC Coordinator. Entry number 54, Victor Bernal Provincial High School, San Vicente, Ogbol, Nagua, Camarines Sur. Entry number 54, Victor Bernal Provincial High School.